morning, class. How are you feeling today? Hope you all are doing great. Today, we are going to learn our first chapter of computer, and our topic name is natural and man-made things. I'm going to read page number 3, first 2 paragraphs. Listen carefully. Our world is made up of natural things. Some things are natural and some are man-made. Things such as rocks, sun, clouds, plants, and animals are natural things. They are created by nature. Things like slides, toys, balls, tables, chairs are man-made things. Man-made things are made by humans. So, what is the difference between natural and man-made things? Natural things are those things which are not created by human beings. They are created by God. For example, sun, moon, stars, plants, birds. These are the examples of natural things. And man-made things are those things which are created by human beings. For example, balls, tables, chair, windows, fan, door. These are the examples of man-made things. So, look at these important points. Our world is made up of natural, wonderful things. Second is, man-made things are made by humans. What is the meaning of man-made? Things which are made by human beings. And what is the meaning of wonderful? Extremely good. Some things are natural and some are man-made. Rocks, sun, clouds are natural things. Natural, not made by human beings. इंसान नहीं बनाते. Man-made, made by human beings. इंसानों की बनाई हुई चीज. Create, to make something new. कोई नई चीज बनाना. Wonderful, extremely good. बहुत अच्छा. This is your class activity. It is also given on page number 8. Look at the pictures given below. Write N for natural and M for man-made things. जो चीजें natural हैं उनके नीचे आप लोगों ने N लिखना है और जो चीजें man-made हैं उसके नीचे M. For example, mango. ये क्या है? Natural, so write N over here. Butterfly. ये natural है, so write N over here. कार. ये man-made है इसलिए इसके नीचे M लिखें. Book. Man-made, so write M over here. Umbrella. Man-made, so write M over here. Orange, natural, so write N over here. Needle, man-made, so write M over here. Fish, natural, so write N over here. Home activity. Write the names of 10 man-made things and 10 natural things. You have to do this in your homework copies. Thank you and God bless you.